intriguing piece in Barron's a few days ago in which you said that you've heeded the advice of the likes of Ray Dalio, trying to keep some of your assets in equities. You say, I haven't shorted anything yet, although I am tempted to short the S&P or the Russell 2000. So how tempted are you today?
Well, basically, we had, since May 22nd, quite a sharp drop in markets around the world. Say in Turkey, we're down 15% from the high. Japan also dropped from the recent high by 15%. In the US, many stocks have given up gains, and they are no higher than in February. I think the market is rolling over. Now, very near term, we're a bit oversold, and we may rally back to around 1660 on the S&P, 1670, and even on the back of the strengths of Intel, Microsoft, and IBM, we could make a new high. But the new high would not be confirmed by the majority of shares. So I think the market is actually quite vulnerable.
Mark, what leads us to that new high from some of those large cap tech names that you mentioned?
Well, I think a lot of large cap stocks like McDonald's and Coca-Cola, Walmart, and so forth, Procter & Gamble, they have most likely peaked out. But as I said, there are still some stocks that show strengths that could continue to appreciate because all the money flows into fewer and fewer stocks, the momentum shares, and that could bring a new high, possibly around 1700 on the S&P. I wouldn't bet on it. As I said before, if someone put a gun on my head and say you have to be long or short, I take the short side.